My video guide is dedicated to help you remove sync quick super the product.com pop-ups from the Google Chrome browser. These pop-ups display fake alerts trying to encourage customers into downloading and installing some unwanted browser extensions. These extensions, if installed, would hijack a lot of important browser settings, such as the default homepage, default search engine, and other settings too. SyncQuickSuperTheProduct.com website is extremely malicious. It may be the trace of some adware enabled in your computer. So if you have seen these pop-ups, make sure you disregard what they tell you. We recommend you to carefully research the control panel of your device and uninstall any programs which might be suspicious. If you find them, get rid of them. To make sure that your browser is free of any extensions, I recommend you to go to the menu of the browser, click on More Tools, then Extensions, disable and remove any third-party extensions which you might find here. Finally, I recommend you to scan your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will detect and remove all other threats from your device effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.